Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to filter an image in a PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file and select Edit option. Now select Edit Object and select an image. Now click on this image and select and click right button for your mouse and select an Edit Object, and this is filter option, and you can apply black and white and undo it. Also you can apply this filter, this one also. I'll apply this one and this one, and finally select save. Our image filter now added, and select file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.